Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install MoneyDance app in your device. MoneyDance is a personal finance software program that offers a robust feature set for managing your finances. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search MoneyDance. Here we can see MoneyDance by the Infinity Kind. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open MoneyDance app for a comprehensive feature set, data security and local data storage. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.